Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add petty cash in Zoho Books. All right, you actually have two options, but we're just going to talk about one, okay? As the other option includes Zoho Expense. But if you want me to create that specific video, just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. All right, so the first option or the option for Zoho Books right here is by going to Accountant. Click on Accountant right here in the left panel. Now go to Charts of Accounts right here. Now, if you don't have petty cash right here, for example, you don't have this one, just click on New right here at the top where it says Other Asset. Okay, just select your option right here. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in cash. Account name, petty. Okay, if you want to make this a sub account, do so by all means if you want to. Account code, just a PC1. And I'm going to tick on Add to the watch list on my dashboard and show an active account in Zoho Expense. Save. Now, what we're going to do next is just go ahead and fund the petty cash account. Okay, this one right here, we're going to fund this one. So to do that, go ahead over to banking right here in the left panel as well. Now go ahead and select one of your bank or bank account. Okay, as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, we now have petty. Okay, but this one doesn't have any money. So let's go back, select the bank. Now what you'll do in here is go ahead and add a transaction. Now in here in the drop down, we're going to select transfer to another account. Okay, click on this option. And what we'll do, to account right here, click on the drop down and just select petty. Under cash, as you might have remembered, we have PC1 petty. Click on it and just enter the amount. 1,000 maybe. Or maybe just one, just for example. Reference number, add it right here. Description, if you want to add attachments as well. Hit on save. It says here the bank transaction has been recorded. Transfer fund. That's basically it. We'll go ahead and check it out. Right here on the drop down. As you can see, under petty, we now have 1 peso. All right. And that's basically it. That's how easy it is to add petty cash in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.